Gonna go back in time. Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I have another vintage product that I found in my attic, which is the Camlink Vision 500 stereo processor. So very 80s. The kit came with this microphone headset for narration, which allows you to listen to the overall sound mix at the same time, and you have the phono leads to connect to your VCR as well. What does it do? Well, it's a video titler and processor. So before computers, you had this device to add colour titles to your videos recorded on your camcorder. It has other features as well, like adding music and narration to your videos. And another cool feature was it could fade in and fade out between scenes. It was compatible with SVHS and Hi8. Oh, it could do so much more. It was a stereo audio mixer, a video fade, colour and black and white title, 8 background scroll facility, 8 memory page, QWERTY keyboard, SVHS, and as I mentioned before, Hi8 inputs. We have many functions. We have a power on off. Bypassing function affects its processing of the soundtrack or picture when it's on or on a mixer is bypassed, so you only see and hear the original recordings. On the back you have rubber feet, and here we have the battery, but can also be used with the mains. You need to connect the mixer to a VCR with phono leads. You can also connect the Vision directly to your camcorder. When it's off, the mixer's levels and control features can be brought into play, improving overall quality. Next, the S-Video function should be used when VHS or Hi8 equipment is being used. The Cam VTR functions allow you to switch between 2 source video players. The audio mixer section of the unit is designed to enable you to make background tracks. The audio mixer offers you to increase or decrease the sound level from the mic. The line input, which is either your VCR or camcorder, and music. So by increasing these individually, we increase the level as well as mixing the sound sources. The mic slide can slowly be increased or decreased to alter the level of volume from microphone stand pickup. This could be someone talking or ambient sounds of the surroundings. The line slide alters the length of the volume from the camcorder from the original recordings. And the music slide here controls the level of additional sound sources as CD player. And this one here is the master fader to increase or decrease the level of the mix soundtrack. Along here at the very top enables you to see the strength of your soundtrack. And the Vision also allows you to fade in from black. It has 8 colour titles on colour black backgrounds with only 2 font sizes. There's also 8 memory pages to store your titles. This here is a LED display panel to provide visual readouts of your current titles, status, and 4 keyboard features for you to create captions and titles. So back then it was a very high-tech intelligent device for you to add titles, edit your videos to fade in and fade out, have your titles scroll up and down, and add valuable sound to your videos. The separate sound settings can be fed into the Vision units in addition to CD and cassette players. You can also take the sound from a VCR, camcorder and a microphone. What an incredible piece of machinery this is. Does it still work? Well, let's find out. Let me just plug it in, making sure it is turned off and everything here is turned down. And as you can see, there's a green light, so it is still workable. So identify the cam sockets on the back of the mixer, and as before, just connect the phono leads in there. The output channels are for transferring the final pictures and sound onto your master recorder. And here are a few video clips of me using this device. It was very high tech back in the 80s, and thank God for computers. Does anyone else still own this Camlink? I'm very interested to find out. So if there's anyone out there who still owns one of these, please please leave a comment. Please leave a like if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to see more videos that I have lined up, or who knows, I might do something completely different next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.